Good morning, class. Let us begin another essay or another story that is from the autobiography of Milka Singh, the great Indian athlete. He has written this with his daughter. The title of this lesson is The Flying Sikh. Now, let us read and try to understand the experiences shared here by Milka Singh. My triumph means victory. My triumph at the Commonwealth Games had elevated, made higher my status to such a level that I was now an international sports celebrity. Celebrity, the people who are very famous and lots of people they follow them. So these are the celebrity people. And sports celebrity, there are various sportsmen at the national or the international level, and they are considered as very, very famous, and that's why they are the international sports celebrity. So he says, after my success, after my victory in the Commonwealth Games. Now you must know what is meant by the Commonwealth Games. The countries who were earlier in the past the colonies of the British. Now they come together and they organize a sports event, and that is known as the Commonwealth Games. And Milka Singh had won the medal at this Commonwealth Games, and that made him an international celebrity. Between 1958 and 1960, I received numerous various meaning. Between 1958 and 1960, I received numerous invitations, calls, amantran, from different countries and traveled throughout the world to participate in, सहभागी होने, participating in at least 80 international races. So during these 3 years, 58, 59 to 60, Milka Singh had been invited to different countries, and he traveled throughout the world participating in many international races. Okay, out of which I won 77. So he says, out of 80, I had won 77 races. So he was such a great athlete. The international press feature means to show, दाखवणे, प्रसिद्धी देणे. The international press, that is the newspapers, the international press featured glowing, praising, in praise of, admiring, glowing articles on my life. So there were, in many newspapers, there were articles written in praise of Milka Singh on my life and achievements. Something that we get in our life, because wherever I went I broke the old 400-meter records, establishing new ones, established to set, prastapit karne. So he says wherever he went for to participate in a race, he broke the old record and established new records. In 1960, the much awaited Olympic Games was to take place in Rome. So now in this lesson, mainly he is talking about his experience at the Olympic Games in 1960 that were organized in Italy, in Rome. I was very excited. I was very much excited, thrilled. I was very enthusiastic. He says, this would be my second Olympics after Melbourne in 1956. Now, before that, he had taken part in the Melbourne, that is in Australia, Melbourne Olympic of the year 1956. In the years since then, I had matured. I had been matured. I had become a grown up athlete, he says. I had matured म्हणजे माझा खेळ सुधारला होता. आय हॅड मॅच्युअर्ड अँड ग्रोन ॲज ॲन ॲथलीट. एक स्पोर्ट्समॅन म्हणून, एक खेळाडू म्हणून मिल्खा सिंग यांच्यामध्ये खूप सुधारणा झालेल्या होत्या असं त्यांना इथं म्हणायचं आहे. इन द इयर्स सिन्स देन आय हॅड मॅच्युअर्ड अँड ग्रोन ॲज अन ॲथलीट and was now at my peak. Peak means highest point in somebody's career. Here it is the career of a sportsman, and he says I was at the highest point of my career. Perhaps I would have better luck this time, and he expects to have better luck or to win a gold medal in the Olympics for his country, for his nation, India. But before that, in January, now he is talking about January 1960, before the Olympic Games. But before that, in January, I was to participate in the national games at Delhi's National Stadium. But before that, there were the national games at Delhi's National Stadium, and Milkha Singh had to participate in those games. My sister Ishar and her family were very keen, were very enthusiastic, eager, utsuk, to see me run. And there came at the Delhi stadium his sister Ishar and her family, because they wanted to see their brother run there in the national games. They had heard of my exploits. They had heard of my exploit means kamgiri. Here exploits are the kamgiri, his achievements as an athlete. They had heard of my exploits but had never watched me on the track. The track is here the running track for the athletes. So he says they had never seen me run actually in the national games. So they were very eager, and that's why my sister Ishar and her whole family, they came to the National Stadium, New Delhi. I happily invited them for the event prasanga, the national games. So he says I was very happy to invite them at that national games. I was overjoyed, very very happy to see them. Milkha Singh became very happy to see his sister and her family, especially my beloved sister Ishar. So he said, I was very glad, I was very happy to meet my beloved sister Ishar, who had sold her gold earrings to secure my release from jail all those years ago. And why this sister was very special for him? Because she loved him a lot, and once he was in jail some years back, and her and his sister Ishar had sold her gold earrings to release, to save her brother from the jail. When I greeted her, to say namaste or the greetings. When I greeted her, she said, "Dear brother, you have endured, tolerated, sahan karne." She says, "Dear brother, you have endured terrible hardships," terrible, bhayanak hardships, kathin prasanga, and trials again difficult times, जेव्हा माणसाची परीक्षा घेतली जाते. So the sister is saying to her brother that now you had been under various bad experiences before this, but now good fortune has smiled upon you. But she says now it's your good time, now it's your good fortune, and us because of you. And she says we are also fortunate because you are my brother. Don't get exhausted, tired by running so fast. But she is very concerned, she is very much worried about her brother, and she says, but don't get tired too much by running fast. Her love and concern overwhelmed me, and I remembered her warmly, lovingly, and I embraced her, miti marne, to hug. Her love and concern overwhelmed me, he was touched by her emotions. भरून येणे. Her love and concern overwhelmed me, and I embraced her warmly. I hugged her lovingly, at the same time assuring her, assure खात्री देणे. I assured her that running did not debilitate. Debilitate, to make somebody weak, थकवणे, दुर्बळ बनवणे, अशक्त बनवणे. And he assures his sister that it is not the running that tires me or that makes me tired, that makes me exhausted. Instead, it gave me added strength. But he says, this is my game, this is my passion, this is my love, and I become happy and strong when I run on the track. So these are the feelings of an athlete as a sports person. He cannot live without playing, without participating in the games. She responded with tears in her eyes. My dear brother, your name is like a shining star in the world today. And the sister is very happy, and there are tears of happiness in her eyes. And she says, my dear brother, your name is like a shining star. You are very famous in this world. Throughout the world, people know you, and you have raised the honor of our family enormously on a very large scale, मोठ्या प्रमाणात. And she says she is very happy that her brother has made the family famous throughout the world because of his achievements as a sports person. We will stop here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.